This is no longer reaction. It's decision. The python feels it. Too many fronts, too little control. The coil tightens once more. Pressure peaks, then a shift. Time has already decided, and no instinct can argue with that. One doesn't stay. She follows, not for the cub, for what took it. They wait, as if something might return. It doesn't. As if it can be undone. She follows it, no hesitation, no call for the others. She steps forward and stops. It turns to face her. And something in her doesn't turn back, something unfinished. Leaving it behind is not an option she recognizes. Now it fights free, faster, sharper. For a moment, it works. Then the others arrive, and moments don't last. Pulled by the same thing, they circle closer each time. No space left unheld. The python turns again and again, but there is no direction that leads out. One moves, not louder, not faster, just first. And in that moment, everything else follows. It ends the only way it could, not by one, but by all. No signal, no leader, just alignment. Each one doing what the moment demands. Nothing here was personal, nothing chosen. Only what had to be done by those who could do it. Only moments that decide everything. And then they pass.